No, I mean, what's the
Great.
Create Aventus also?
This one, Creed Aventus?
Yeah.
Wala.
Sims man.
Same. Guys, Dubai perfume. Punta lang kayo dito. Ramania.
Ni Rahmania, G1.
Yeah,
Ni Giordano.
yeah.
Sarap ng sudas.
Yes, exactly. Please come here. Support this business.
Sana all.
Sana all.
Sana all, kabayan.
These are our friends. See? Just come here. Buy their perfume. Dubai International brand.
Kita ko yung mga anak mo. Nakadalawa ka na.
Kumusta, Mike?
Nakadalawa na. Bilis ano.
Oh, puro laki pa yan.
Habol.
O, diba? Guys, ito yung una naming labas sa taon ng 2026. Di ba, Jay? Eh, bago na naman patayo dito, Jay. Bago ka na naman titingnan ng mga brand dito. Di ba? Hindi lang safety shoes. Pang ano pa? Pang dawer-dawer pa. Kaya Jay, kabayan, talaga nga naman. Sarado pa. Ito yung buhay ng OFW. Tingnan yung mga sitwasyon. Ayun si Mamang. Oh, bukas na. Oh yan. Tagpo. Anong hanapin natin, Jay? Jay, oh, LB. Tara, Jay. Tawagan mo kaya sir. Si Mike, siguro nandito tayo. Ayun, tumawag. Api malu? Patang.
Ano sir?
Good morning.
Ay,
Fine,
nasa na
good.
kaya?
Thank you.
Sige sir, ito na kami sir.
Ano sabi niya?
Mga 20 minutes na po.
Sige. Dito na siya mag-parking.
Sabi ko, nasa Raman na.
Akyat tayo. Ikutin muna natin to. Buhay OFW pag weekend. Ganito mga buhay-buhay ng mga OFW. Tingnan mo si Jay. Meron naman lang si Jay. Ganyan ba? Ikot mo lang tayo, Jay. Bago na akyat, Jay. Kabayan, hulugan, meron dito. Tabi. Mga tunay kaya to? Ito? Ha?
Hindi ko masasabi. Pero, pag naman bilhin natin.
Para hindi masayang yung lakad natin, Jay. Diba, Jay? Pilit. Ito, Jay. Tunay kaya to, Jay? Marami ng ano, no? Mga African, marami na to. The first man. Sarado pa. Hmm?
Poka.
Pila? Pick. Yung si Alfonso mo, bilhan mo na nga yan, oh. Gagamboy. Gagamboy shoes.
Tagal-tagal pang paglalakad.
Meron silang ano, Birkenstock.
Pila.
Pila stock. Pila flip-flop.
Flip-flop.
Magka-tono, di ba? Parang ang iksi lang kaligayahan ng mga ano, no, ito lang. Pupunta tayo dito tapos ito. Ganito lang isang kabirasong building. Thank you po. Salamat.
Ito naman dito.
Mm.
Ano na, A6 nyo?
Baka dito ko rin nabili yung A6 ko. No? Pinabaga. Ano? Tunay kaya to? Tunay 295 to. Skechers eh.
Class A.
Class A. Class A. Dito ko binili yung ano. Ito.
Bago.
Oo, dito. Ano? Ito pala. Si Ahmad. Yo. Ito tunay ito. Mga kabayan. Pag bumili kayo, pumasok kayo sa Kamenia. Ito si Ahmad. Legit to. Legit. Long jeans. Ito yung mga relo ni ano eh. May kaibigan. Ito yan. Di kaibigan natin. Na puro relo. Si ano. Lapit sa kwarto mo. Relo ng mga rera. Yan o. Yan. Dami nilang bumaba ng bayan. Diba, Jay? Isa na rin kami bumaba. Pick. Anong brand yung Pick? Ano to? Incheck? Chinese, no? Peekaboo sa atin. Meron. Buy one take one pa.
US siguro yan.
20 minutes. Dito lang natin antayin. Diyan siya sa ilalim siguro magpaparada.
Sarado po ang...
Sarada.
Wow, wow, wow.
Smell my perfume. Guess what?
Now we're still close. Close, very close.
Already because of this, you
No,
are
no.
sailing.
No, still sleeping.
You have cold.
Ah, he has cold.
Running nose.
Yes. Ito sa alam ko.
This is the third one.
Yeah. The last one.
The last one.
Yeah. Yes.
Huh?
Sarah.
What's this other brand?
No, this one only has 3 perfume.
No, I mean, what's the...
Great.
Creed Aventus also?
Yes.
This one, Creta Ventus?
Yeah.
Wala.
Same smell.
Same
Yeah,
smell.
but different
Yeah, this is
smell.
good also.
Matagal hindi patanggal.
Yeah. Right.
Mababa din.
Yeah, for daily.
Yes,
30?
po, yes. 30? Takib, I give you.
30 real. Guys, I call my friends. This
Yes.
Creta Ventus,
3 last 0.
300.
Yeah.
Oh, same.
But you have 50% discount.
So that is 150.
Yeah.
90.
Mukha mo.
150 or 190.
Ito.
Yeah.
Can I check this polo blue? Is this the one I'm looking for?
Guys,
Before I'm using the polo.
150 and he will give 190. Will be okay. Not 250. No, 150. 300, 50%, 150.
Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, way.
Yeah. Right, let me think.
This
There
one,
is-
I give you guarantee. Matagal 2 days.
The other one is good.
Or 2 days.
This one, the first one, this one. Good, ah?
Show me another one. This one.
Yes, this one. This one is different. This one, I think. Yeah.
You got it.
Yeah. Yeah. And this one. See guys? 50%.
Lega.
Ano na yan?
Totoo.
Creed.
Creed Aventus.
Creed Aventus.
Nabango ito.
Wild base, matagal 3 days. Grinding.
Nabango nga.
The other one.
Hindi. Pare.
La Roche 940. Smell? Yeah.
Ano?
That one? Is that La Roche? 940. That
Baccarat.
Baccarat Roche.
Baccarat Rouge.
Baccarat Roche.
Bahay, no?
Yeah. Sorry. Baccarat. This one, what is the smell of this?
We have here Asad Pegasus.
Biggest?
Asad.
Guys, bago kakain, magpangbango muna
Yeah.
kami.
Inside.
Personally. Aventus, Creed Aventus.
Not Asad. Asaf.
Asam mabaho.
Ha?
Mabaho.
Mabaha.
Mm.
The Pegasus.
Mabaho.
Benzema.
This is one,
Mabaho.
120? 120?
We speak Hashibat and
For daily use, Creed Aventus, 120?
Hindi kaya.
Ha?
Hindi kaya. I'll make more.
120?
80.
80.
See, I speak my friend. This gave good price. Come
Good
here.
price but good perfume. Nata mo hilig.
Give him good price.
Creed Aventus, guys.
Give me 140, okay? What is how much? Wala
How?
490.
Huh?
490.
That is already original perfume.
Original price.
That is the one.
Ha? Teatro.
Man, give.
Too much for...
Correct.
Pag bumili ka dito, may kasama pang
One.
Dubai perfume. Punta lang kayo dito. Oh, 300 nagiging 120.
60% discount.
60% discount. Come here. Come here.
Perfume near Giordano.
Yes, near Giordano. What building is this?
G1
Yeah. Ramania.
near Rahmania. G1
Yeah,
near Giordano.
yeah.
Sarap ng Sudas.
Yes, exactly. Please come here. Support this business.
Sana all.
Sana all.
Sana all kabayan.
Dubai perfume.
Dubai perfume. Beda iba-iba.
Iba-iba, yes.
Beda Calvin Klein. Beda branded.
Yes. Can I use spray? Oh, I didn't pay yet.
Bayaran mo 200 now.
Enough. Thank you.
How much you get this one?
Huh? That is long time. I think that is 4 years already. That is 10.
Mashallah. Wow.
Wow, wow, wow.
Wow.
You have card?
Give me cash.
How much your camera? Kawa.
20. You have 80?
Yeah, 50.
I don't have.
How much your camera? Gawa.
Yeah.
I don't have 50.
Kamera kahawa? Mura.
How much is it?
Yung kahawa, original na kahawa kayo.
No.
Jay, may 5 real ka, Jay?
Wala po.
Ha?
Wait,
5 nyo?
give me that.
How much your kawa? How much kawa?
Thank you so much, Habibi.
You are welcome kabayan. Inshallah, see you next time. 5 real bayaran mo.
Yeah.
Thank you, yeah.
I'm just asking.
Appreciate it. This is for daily use only.
Wala 5 real logi.
Anyway, we will come back. We will come back and
How much this?
he will take
How much this?
How this one?
50 real. Inshallah. Wala syayk. Oh, dukhan.
150. Malaki.
Yeah, how many ml?
Malaki masarap.
Lafati.
Masarap.
Yes.
Nice, masarap.
Maybe my card is already
Also,
included.
see, BJ also branded if you want like Burberry.
Yeah.
He also Lacoste. Iba. Mont Blanc, Krewig,
CK.
Davidoff, CK, Cartier,
Yes.
babae BJ.
Well informed them. Everything is in here.
Everything
Recorded.
you have all perfume, not only Dubai perfume, na parang
Yeah.
perfume. Also you have
Lacoste. You have also
This
Lacoste.
original, no?
Oo. From here.
Angel share with coffee.
Coffee scent, kahawa scent, patchouli, you know?
Ah,
You know the angel share in Daharan? The
Yes, yes.
3,000.
wow.
That's,
Damn.
No.
Does it look like the smell is the same almost?
Yes.
Yeah. Damn, the presentation, Habibi.
Wow, wow, wow.
Mashallah. Only in the cartoon because it will mix up, become halo-halo, you know?
Yes.
Can I smell it here?
yeah.
What better?
Same.
No, it's oil based also, right? Yeah, because I smell like an oil and.
But this one unisex, di ba ba? Yun na.
Okay.
Same smell, but with
With mint.
Coke.
No,
Coffee.
coconut.
I smell.
Kahwa.
Kahwa. Yeah. Yes. Damn.
I don't-
Original 3,000.
I-
Dubai perfume is
Yeah, for me, I
the
like-
best.
Original.
Latafa. Yeah, this brand Latafa, right?
Yes, po.
Yeah. It's always coming from social media,
Yeah.
and white people
So-
is introducing this one.
Dubai,
Yes.
Dubai.
La
Too much
Fafa.
people, yes.
UAE.
Also too much trending. Also.
Yes, Latafa brand.
UAE brand.
Yeah.
Latafa.
We're seldom buying original now. It's always mostly Dubai. Dubai
You
perfume.
know,
Yes,
Arabic perfume.
For
better.
instance, this one.
Better.
Smell Creda Bentos.
Yes.
60%.
No, not 60%, maybe 99%, sure.
No, 60% the price you give me.
Yes. No, 40% na wala.
40%. 40%. This only for my daily
Yes.
use. Work.
So, well-based also.
Oil base,
Oh,
Habibi.
Well-based sa Aramco.
Yeah.
Sa Duba.
Duba.
Ah,
Yes, exactly.
Wow.
The presentation of the what do you call that? Perfume bottle is damn.
Still for me, original.
The first one.
The first one. This more spicy.
Yeah, yes, spicy. These are our friends. See, just come here, buy their perfume, Dubai International brand.
Marami big discount.
Yes.
Basta, halika dito,
Yeah.
marami special offer. Also, you have everything, you have 50%
Yes.
perfume discount.
But you have mostly Dubai.
Dubai also, you have another.
Yes.
Meron this collector's edition.
Supremacy Collector's Edition. I'm using that one, Arfan.
This one?
Yeah, I'm using that one. I have that one. I bought. No, this one, the black one I have.
Not only Interns.
What the?
The new one.
This one is new one?
Yes po.
This one? Oh, you're respectful po You learned that one from Filipinos
Yes, yes,
No,
kabaya.
mashallah,
Po is
mashallah.
very good.
Po is respect. So old and
Yes.
you address that one.
This
Po,
is the good,
po.
the best word. Po.
Yeah, respect. That is respect to the elders and the youngest.
Yes, if you always use this, mashallah.
Mashallah. They're happy to come with you and bring us.
Thank you so much, Kabiyan. Thank you so much.
Welcome mga kabayan. Welcome po kayo. Like that.
I see one blogger like this one.
Yeah. Po.
Bo.
Yes, that is respect to the people what he is talking with, regardless the ages. But mostly we are using that one for the elder and
Small. Sana all, Kabiyan. Welcome,
Yeah.
Kabiyan.
welcome po kabayan.
Welcome po.
Also to ang Habibi, if you want to
Yeah.
to your-
Oh yeah.
Ay, so, kita ko yung mga anak mo. Nakadalawa ka na.
Kumusta Mike?
Nakadalawa na. Bilis ano.
Oh, puro laki pa yan.
Habol.
Oh.
Ay, ang cute eh.
Mala sa tatay tsaka sa nanay tara na, higop na tayo na sapot ngayon malamig. Pero maganda yung uniforme nyo ha. Bam!
Sa ano to? Sa Yapuro na.
May budget sila. Yeah, may budget sila, di ba? May budget.
Hindi, ano to? Kanya-kanya ng babae.
Kanya-kanya pagawa. Ano na ba? napabili ako ng ano, daily use.
Yun eh.
Credaventus.
Yes.
Alate?
Hindi naman pala sa Sulubing Clement, OCPD. OCPD ako.
Si Alate?
Oh, si Ibrahim, yung dati nating BA.
Di, si Ibrahim, extend, sabihin mo, extend na regards daw, coming from our friends over there.
Nakikita ko yung pagpupunta sa option.
Kaya,
Pupunta na option. Ay, masipag naman dito. Pupunta talaga na.
masipag yun. Tara, tara na.
Paano kayo sa
Sa PPD. Ba't yung pati yung ano nyo? Overtime?